Most people think you need a marketing degree to break into digital marketing. But here's what surprised me. Some of the most successful digital marketers I know started as complete beginners with zero experience. And when I was cleaning windows and driving for Uber in my late 40s, I had no idea that learning digital marketing would completely change my life. Now, when I got started, it took me way longer than it should have because I was figuring everything out the hard way. But here's something that I wish someone would have told me when I first got started. There's actually a specific order to learning these skills that makes all the difference in the world. That's why I'm breaking down the exact 7 steps you need to follow in the right order if you want to build real skills in digital marketing. Step number 4 is the one most beginners completely skip, but it's actually what separates people who struggle from those who build sustainable careers. And step number 7, that's the secret that lets you start building your portfolio and gaining experience even while you're still learning. And to help you guys get started on your digital marketing journey, my friends and today's sponsor, Go High Level, which by the way is the same all-in-one software platform that I use to run my digital marketing business. They're giving my viewers an extended 30-day free trial. Now, if you went straight to their website, you'd get the standard 14 days. Also, when you start the trial today, I'm going to give you guys access to my complete digital marketing course to help you get started. So if you're ready to get started on your digital marketing journey, I'll put a link below for you. All right, so let's start with the basics. Digital marketing is simply promoting products and services or even brands using digital channels like websites, social media, email, and search engines. So think of it this way. Instead of putting up a billboard on the highway and hoping people see it, you're having conversations with potential customers through their phones and computers. And here's something that totally blew my mind. Over 4.8 billion people use the internet every single day, and they're spending on average 7 hours online each day. Your future customers are already online right now, scrolling through social media, checking emails, and searching for solutions. Digital marketing lets you meet them exactly where they are. And here's the best part. Unlike traditional marketing where a Super Bowl ad can cost millions of dollars, you can get started digital marketing today by using your social media platforms. Plus, everything is measurable. You know exactly how many people saw your content, clicked on it, and took action. It's like having X-ray vision for your marketing efforts. Which takes us to step 1. Mastering content marketing. Content marketing is your foundation, and it's probably the most important skill you will develop. Instead of saying, buy my stuff, you create valuable content that educates or entertains your audience. I learned this the hard way when I first started. Nobody wants to be sold to, but everybody wants to learn something useful. Start with the format that you're most comfortable with. If you like writing, start a blog. If you're comfortable on camera, like me, create videos here on YouTube. If you have a good voice, you could do podcasting. And here's a pro tip that changed everything for me. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should be nothing but value, and only 20% should actually directly promote your business or your services. Create a content calendar and focus on answering the questions your ideal clients are asking. Use storytelling to make your content more engaging because people remember stories way better than boring facts and figures. Step number 2, building your email list. Now, here's something that surprised me. Email marketing has the highest return on investment of any digital marketing channel. Per Omnisend, the average ROI or return on investment for email marketing ranges from $36 to $40 for every dollar spent. While social media platforms control who sees your content, email gives you direct access to your audience's inbox. Your email list is your digital goldmine, but you need to give people a compelling reason to share their email address. This is where you create what's called a lead magnet. This is a free, valuable resource like a checklist, a video training, or template that solves a specific problem. Remember earlier when I offered you my free course and the trial? Guess what? That's a lead magnet. Set up email automation sequences that welcome new subscribers, provide immediate value, and guide them towards your services. These automated emails work for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Step number 3, you want to build a funnel, not a website. And this is where most beginners get confused. But stick with me because this is really important. A website is like a house with many rooms, but no clear path. Visitors get lost and guess what? They just leave. Where a funnel is like a guided tour that leads visitors step by step from discovering you to becoming customers. And according to Forbes, 70% of small business websites lack a clear call to action, or CTA, which leads to zero conversions. A proper funnel turns strangers into leads, leads into customers, and customers into repeat buyers. I recommend you start simple. Create a landing page offering something valuable for free. Collect email addresses. Nurture those leads with helpful content, then present your paid offer when they're ready. Track your conversion rates and test different elements to improve your results. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated and I have no idea how to build a funnel. That's exactly how I felt when I started. But here's the thing. You don't have to figure this out from scratch anymore. Remember Go High Level that I talked about before? It's been a game changer for me. It has pre-built funnel templates that you can customize in minutes. Plus, their AI can actually build entire websites for you. Remember those email automation sequences I mentioned? Well, Go High Level can handle all of that too. What I love about Go High Level is that instead of juggling 5 to 10 different tools and paying monthly subscriptions, everything I need is right in one place. So if you haven't gotten started yet with the extended 30-day free trial and you guys want to grab my digital marketing course, make sure you click on the link below in the description. Step number 4, learn SEO basics or search engine optimization. SEO might sound intimidating, but it's really just about helping people find your content when they search for solutions you provide. Unlike paid advertising where traffic stops when you stop paying, SEO provides organic traffic that can last for years. Start with keyword research. Find the specific phrases your target audience types into search engines. Focus on what are called long tail keywords, like how to start digital marketing for small businesses, rather than simply typing in marketing. Then create high quality content that thoroughly answers searchers' questions and includes your target keywords naturally. Make sure your website loads fast, or your funnel, and make sure it also works on mobile devices and provides genuine value to the readers. Step number 5 is choosing your social media platform. Now, here's where many beginners make a huge mistake. They try to be everywhere at once. Don't do that. Trust me, it does not work. Choose one platform where your ideal clients spend most of their time and then master it first before you move on to other platforms. LinkedIn is perfect for B2B services. Instagram and TikTok, they work great for visual content and typically younger audiences. Whereas Facebook is really good for, well, people my age. And YouTube is ideal for educational content like what I'm doing in this video. I started with YouTube because I love teaching and I love helping people. And remember, use the 80-20 rule here as well. 80% value and 20% promotional. Engage genuinely with your audience and always respond to comments and show the human side of your business. Remember, it's called social media for a reason. Number 6 is picking your niche. This is probably the most important decision you will make. Don't try to serve everyone. Pick a specific group of people that you want to help. You could focus on helping local businesses get more leads, growing social media presence for fitness trainers, or building websites for restaurants. The riches are in the niches, as they say. When you specialize, you can charge premium prices because you become the go-to expert in that area. I focused on helping people find remote jobs and work from home, and that specifically helped me build a loyal audience. Think about your existing skills and interests. What problems do you naturally understand? and what industries fascinate you. That's a great place to get started. And step number 7, this is crucial for beginners and how I recommend everybody get started, is to document your journey. This is your secret weapon. Use your own learning process as content. Share what you're learning, your wins and your failures, and the strategies that you're using. This builds trust and positions you as someone who practices what they preach. Start posting valuable content consistently on your chosen platform. Share case studies, tips, behind the scenes content, and of course, helpful tutorials. Also, offer free consultations or audits to build testimonials and case studies. As you gain experience and get results, gradually increase your prices and become more selective with your clients. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Now, once you've got these digital marketing fundamentals down, I recommend you explore one of the growing opportunities in the market. That's offering AI services to small businesses. Many businesses are looking for AI solutions, but aren't sure where to begin or how to implement them effectively. If you're interested in learning how this AI business model works, make sure you check out my latest video here where I dive into more detail on how to actually set this business up. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.